Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Air Jordan 4 by Jordan Brand in collaboration with American BMX athlete Nigel Sylvester in the brick after brick colorway. These were released on the 22nd of May 2026 for the retail price of £185 here in the UK. Quick shout out to Jordan Brand for dropping the retail price from £210 on the previous brick by brick Jordan 4s. It comes in a special white brick printed box with Brick Air branding in a rough, almost sandpaper like feel to it. Open up the box, comes with shoes wrapped in white bacon paper in the translucent plastic seal bag, taped together in red velcro, similar to how bricks are transported. The shoe comes with an extra set of black and red laces with a brick print on the aglets, as well as a cream Brick Air embroidered painted suede hang tag that also resembles a painted brick wall. I love the packaging, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Nigel Sylvester continues the better with time and brick by brick theme with an aged looking sequel to his popular Cinnabar Red Jordan 4s that were released last March 2025. This time building off the legacy of the OG Fire Red Jordan 4 colorway with slight upgrades like the cream painted suede embroidered Bike Air heel counter instead of a black with red Nike Air. Cream and white web paneling were included over the black and white, and this time with reflective 3M, an all red wing cage rather than the black, plus a white sock liner over a red. In Nigel fashion, the mini swoosh is included at the lateral toe with red branding on the insoles. The leather feels nice and soft with a natural tumble to it. Jordan fans should appreciate the roomier toe box design seen on the recent Jordan 4s, plus the stickier forefoot traction due to the grippier translucent red rubber outsole. I recommend staying true to size. There's no need to go up half a size anymore like we used to do on previous Jordan 4 retros. I went 2 pairs minimum on these like the original brick by bricks, but this time I didn't have to pay resale for a second pair. Overall, I love the lower price point, premium materials and clean wearable design. It's good that they didn't play it safe with another monotone look, although I wouldn't mind an all grey pair either. As usual, purchase links with my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching, please drop a like and comment after to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? And I'm currently in between cameras right now. I recently sold my GH5, so hopefully the GH7 is coming next week. Arsenal won the league, I got my 2 pairs secured. It's not been a bad week, has it? Anyway, apart from that, have a good day.